tell me it comes plucked, bleached, and colored already? I don't gotta take it to nobody. Girl, you don't gotta take it to nobody. Cause I got you. I got you. Hey y'all. My name is Nyla, for those of you who do not know. Welcome back to my channel. Today, by the title of this video, I'm going to be organizing, doing some business stuff, just talking about my hair business. If those of you who don't know, well, I never really introduced it on here, so I guess I'll introduce my new hair business. My business is called Nyla Simone Collection, and yes, I'm getting it trademarked, so do not try to steal it because, yeah, get your own name. Period. But by today's video, I'm going to be organizing, setting up some things for my business, showing you guys some products that I have for my business, and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get straight into the video because I have nothing else to say. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna get on the floor. Can y'all see me? Yeah, y'all can see me. Okay. Cool. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm going to fill out a new sheet, content sheet. These are from 2 weeks ago. I did not finish out my content all last week. I stopped posting on Friday because I just get discouraged. I want to talk about that for a minute. I feel like on other people's channels that they just show like the goods and like them packaging orders and stuff. And as a new business owner, I know that's not like that's not how it's gonna be every day, especially for me. I mean, eventually it will, but as of right now, nobody really knows who I am. So I gotta get going and get it started so people know who I am, you know. So I just want to like show you guys. I want to be really as transparent as possible with you guys. Show you guys like when, you know, I'm down, because right now, to be honest, I've like this past weekend I was telling my boyfriend how like I don't want to, like I don't be feeling like encouraged to keep going on with like this business stuff. Just because like I compare myself, and that's one thing that I have to stop doing because I don't know anybody else's journey. Like I don't know what they had to do in order to get to where they are now. And I know that the journey is different for everybody else. So I gotta keep reminding myself that. But then again, it's like I'm so hard on myself because I want everything to be perfect in my business. Like this is gonna be my career. This is gonna be my life. This is gonna be what, you know, this is how I make money. This is how I'm gonna live, you know? So yeah, I just want to be as transparent as possible. I know that there's some YouTubers out there and some business owners that are transparent and don't just show like the good, but they show the bad as well. But I'm going to be one of those people for you guys. So yeah, all I'm doing, like I said before, I'm just going to go on my content sheet. I got this from the Business Girl. I think her name is Business Girl Co. I don't know what her name is, but I'll probably put it somewhere on the screen, her @ name, because she's really helped me with finding my target audience. She's helped me with coming up with content ideas. I have a whole content calendar. I don't know if you see that. A whole content calendar right there. And then she has like these blank sheets that you can just print out whenever to create your content. Like when you're supposed to create it, how much you want to create, and all that, which I think is pretty cool and pretty like awesome. So for housekeeping, I keep this notebook. It's just like a 5-star notebook that you can get from Walgreens, Walmart, anywhere. So this is where I like put all my notes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oop, don't try to steal my notes. Girl, don't do that. Okay, I'm just playing. But yeah, this is where I like keep my notes. I track everything down and stuff. So I have like the 3 wigs that I want to launch on August 11th, which is my birthday, but also the day I launched my business. Anyway, but yeah, so I have the Celine unit, Veronica unit. I'm not gonna say the 3rd unit just because I haven't dropped it yet, but I might say it right now because I think I'm gonna drop it when this video drops. So it's the Belly unit, but yeah, Celine, she's gonna become what? The Celine unit is going to be Italian curly, so she's gonna be curly and long. I'm trying to decide if like I want to have different like lengths, because the Celine unit is gonna come the longest 24-inch, and I'm not sure if people will want like shorter lengths, you know. So I was thinking maybe like offering the shorter lengths or longer lengths. I think I'm gonna go shorter, just because 24 curly hair is kind of long already. But I might go shorter. Tell me what you guys think. If I should add like additional lengths, other lengths, just not one length for one wig. And Celine's gonna be black and curly. She's gonna come in a natural black color, and she's a curly girl. You know, like me, she's a curly girl. Veronica, she comes in the color burgundy, and she's straight. So she's a long 22-inch straight girl. She not like, you know, not her sexuality, but you know, straight hair, yeah. But she cute. So I sell glueless closure wigs for women that want to protect their edges. So say you're looking, you're a natural girl and you're looking for a hairstyle. I'll promote hair growth around the edges, because I know that when people tend to get wig styles, or say any lace type of hairstyle where there's lace on their their hairline, that they don't know how to properly take it down without their edges being taken off. I was really interrupted by my sister. I'm just kidding. But I was saying, basically my wigs, they help with promoting, not promoting, but assisting with a protective style that's already like styled for you. So you don't have to go to like the hair salon and get, you know, a weave in every other month. Like, you could keep this wig forever. I feel like this is perfect for women that don't really want a hairstyle that is going to be a lot of maintenance. So it's very low maintenance. They don't want to, they want to be able to take it off, like, and then put it back on if they want to for a special occasion. Or they can have different types of wigs for different types of occasions. Like, say you're going to a wedding, you could get this unit because it fits the aesthetic of the occasion. I personally love wigs, like, cause you could just take them off, put it back on. If you want to wear your natural hair for like a day and you get tired of it, and then you're like, oh, I need a new hairstyle, throw on the wig, take it off if you want to. It requires no glue. It fits to your head size. So that's like, I feel like that's amazing. So right now, all I'm trying to do is come up with the content. I'm trying to prepare. I'm trying to promote myself to get ready for this launch out. But here are the boxes that my wigs are going to be coming in. If you're first starting out, don't be like me and buy 30 freaking boxes for $300 and then not even use them, because the shipping is too much. So when you first start out, make sure you have a scale. Make sure you have some affordable boxes, because honestly, honey, they gonna throw these out. Nobody is going to souvenir these and keep them in their room. I mean, unless they need a place to put their wigs at. But I'm pretty sure, well, me at least, I'll just throw the wig. I don't keep the box. But so yeah, so just invest in like $2 boxes, because them boxes is expensive, and I don't have the money. I don't know if you have the money, but I definitely don't have the money. But I'll put the link below. This is a 9x6x3 wig box that I'll be mailing them in. So I'm gonna build the box for you guys right now. Super easy to build yourself. They do not come pre-built in already. I'm not sure if any box company does that, but this one does not. And I think I got 30 of these for $40, which isn't bad. And I got it off of Amazon, so it came the next day if you have Prime, Amazon Prime. And be careful when building these, because it's a little flimsy, but it's not too flimsy. It's actually good quality. And yeah, so this is how small the box is. Yes, it fits a wig. Okay, so I'm going to fold up the rest of these, and then I'm gonna just time lapse it so that you guys can see how fast it is, and you guys don't have to sit here and watch me do it. And then I'm gonna get back with you guys and talk more about creating my content. Look at what I need to print out and create content. So I filled out the chart. I do not have Monday or Tuesday because I'm going to plan that for Sunday or maybe when I get closer to Friday. I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end. If you made it this far, please like, comment, and share. I'm super excited about launching this new business. I'm excited to go on this journey, and I'm excited for you guys coming with me on this journey. Like, it's amazing. But please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you can know whenever I post. Thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.